In a world where sound connects us all, one company stands as a dedicated architect of acoustic excellence. Welcome to Hubei Yiming Electronics Technology Company Limited, a leading acoustic system manufacturer. Our philosophy is embodied in our slogan, precise to the ear, resonant to the world. Nestled in the Huahu Economic Development Zone, our 9,000 square meter advanced manufacturing center is a precision-driven ecosystem. Its climate-controlled workshops and optimized workflows form the ideal environment for exceptional acoustic components. Our dedicated team produces tens of thousands of high-fidelity acoustic components daily for global automotive, marine, in-wall and in-ceiling, outdoor, and musical instrument markets, delivering with unwavering reliability. Our commitment to innovation is powered by a culture of relentless pursuit for perfection. Our R&D, research and development, is equipped with a full suite of advanced testers, from constant temperature and humidity chambers, salt spray, drop, and light testers, to pink noise, polarity, spider displacement testers, spectrum analyzers, flux gauges, and the premier Klippel measurement system. This scientific rigor, exemplified by our advanced anechoic chamber, a space silent enough to hear a heartbeat, ensures extraordinary precision. This spirit of sound craftsmanship is backed by 15 invention and utility model patents, fueling our development of proprietary audio technologies for diverse global markets. Precision in design demands precision in manufacturing. Our production process is a symphony of automation and expertise. With high-precision SMT, surface mount technology, systems, and end-to-end automated assembly, we ensure every component is placed with micron-level accuracy. From initial PCB loading to final PCBA, every phase is governed by rigorous standards, guaranteeing consistency and performance in every unit. Quality is not just a step in our process, it is integrated into every action. Our multi-layered quality management system ensures scrutiny at every stage. From raw material inspection to real-time production monitoring and final product validation, we strive for zero defects because your trust depends on it. Our commitment to world-class standards is validated by prestigious certifications, including the ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. Furthermore, our excellence has been recognized by our province, earning us the title of a specialized, refined, distinctive, and new Little Giant enterprise. From immersive car audio and robust marine systems to discrete in-wall and in-ceiling speakers, powerful outdoor sound, and authentic instrument amplification, Yiming delivers crystal clear, reliable sound, exporting over 500,000 units annually with a flawless zero-complaint record. We have earned the trust of leading brands globally. Our story is built on resilience, innovation, and an unwavering focus on client success. Hubei Yiming Electronics Technology Company Limited. We don't just make speakers, we engineer perfection, one sound at a time.